Flexbox. A simple way to lay out items horizontally or vertically. It's a container like a div, then give it the display property of flex. The container now has control over how items in it are laid out. The flex direction is set to row by default. You can change that by changing the flex direction to column. The amount of space an item takes up is known as the main size. Each item has a fixed width of 50 pixels. If you change the width of the items to 100%, the items will take up the space evenly. All the items now take equal amount of space. Let's make the red item take 50% of the space. We set flex property on the individual item to 2. The red item now takes up 50% of the space. You might often want to control how to align the items horizontally. To do this you use the justify content property. By default the item is set to start. You use the justify content center to align the items to the middle, and the space evenly to give equal amount of space between them. And you use space between to maximize the space between the items. To align our item vertically we use the align item property. If your items doesn't have a fixed height, you'll notice that the items will be stretched to the bottom, because by default our align item is set to stretch. To change that we set the align item to start or we add a height. To move the item to the bottom we set the align item to end. We use center to move to the middle. To move all our items to the right side we change our justify content to end. This is CSS Flexbox in less than 2 minutes. For more short videos like this please subscribe. Thank you for watching.